Addicts, welcome back to another chapter of STARHOUSE. We have a new subfloor in, we have drywall going up. You didn't even see what was underneath this. Pipes, dirt, new structural beams, everything going in strong. This ceiling that you're standing underneath is gonna get lifted. Give me 2 weeks for that. And we redo the line of the roof line for the foyer. We used to have wood paneling over here. You can see now it's all fresh drywall. After that, we get cabinets, looking for some to go in there with a pretty tile background. Cabinets to go in over here with the wet bar, but we expanded our pantry. Now look how spacious everything looks. I think there's more sunlight. Look how the sun is just coming in now. You can see that we cleared the old jacuzzi and the grill from this area, and looking forward to seeing what this looks like power washed. It's stamped concrete, so hopefully it's in good shape. I landscape around it, and I'm kind of eyeing a fire pit out here. Maybe a white brick wall fire pit. Depends on budget. Look how you can see all the forest. Look what that did for you. So we're still in the process in this room, obviously. We've pulled apart this fireplace. I'm glad to see the old go away and the new come in. And I'm excited for the tile that I picked. It's called Scandalous. But it's going across here on the fireplace and over the threshold, and it'll just be so warm and inviting because it has a little bit of green and black and brown in it. And I'll add some matching oak cabinets in the beaded wood that I already ordered, so we'll show a photo of what that looks like because it's gonna go right over this whole wall and pull it all together. As you can see, in here, there's a lot of construction right now. Don't trip. Nothing happened with the bathroom except we took some sconces down, and now there's like 2 peak holes, but the workers are still needing somewhere to go to the bathroom, so I didn't want to take this away from them. We have wood lined up here. Some of it's like crown molding that we took off, and we need to save because we're gonna re-trim the windows. It's original and I don't wanna have to try and source it. But you can see that the wallpaper is all gone. And even drywall is all gone, but the wallpaper, we tried to salvage some of the walls. I tried to have them peel off the wallpaper and see if we could salvage the walls, but in most areas it just wasn't possible. All the carpet's gone. Strong layer of subfloor. This is the old subfloor. This is the new. Over here where the laundry used to be, we are reframing it out, closing this part off because I'm now going to make this the office. So this will become one solid wall. This used to be an entrance. The round windows are going to square to bring in more light. We are reframing all windows because obviously we need to get rid of any bad wood. And then I'll do built-ins over here. And I imagine somebody sitting in their desk, enjoying the light here, having built-ins over here. We also have to put in an HVAC area. So since I'm building a little wall over there anyway, we want to cover that up with built-ins. Because if you remember, this was a hallway and the drywall was here and we were testing paint colors right here on this drywall. That's now gone and we opened up the whole space. This is where you can see the old subfloor. This is what we pulled up most everywhere in order to get to the pipes and to the support beams and replace a lot of support beams just so we know we're really structurally sound. It's important to me. In some areas we have to even up the plywood to it and then we double up on the plywood. It'll be nice and strong. This is gonna be herringbone wood down here so you can picture what that would look like. You can hear there's a lot of action over here today, so we're not gonna go back there into the rooms because there's a lot of drilling. We'll leave that until it's a little bit further along. Okay, super loud in the construction zone over there. So we're gonna be over here and I'm gonna show you some of the tile selections. So I was thinking like penny tile, this is bath 3. This would be the floor. We're gonna have wood floor leading up to it in the bedroom. Backsplash, plumbing, and I'll go with black plumbing at the wet bar, but probably brass for the bathrooms. But just to give you an idea of the direction I'm going in some areas. And then the only other change that we have coming, or that actually already happened that you didn't get to see, the trees got taken down in front of the house. You can see how much light that brought in too. There used to be big shrubs lining the whole side of this house and that side. And we'll get some new landscaping in, and we have a broken window only because we're reframing anyway, so it doesn't matter. Those windows are going away. New windows come in about 2 weeks. Supplies are starting to arrive. That's exciting. Once we get over the structural, then we go on to the decorative and cosmetic, and that's the exciting part.